Hi, Mrs. Popwell, it's Jordan. Hi, so I am just showing you that I cannot access any of them, so you can better see. So, yesterday was May 6th. So yesterday was May 6th. I click on the class. This Class Connect session does not have any recordings. So I was just making sure for the other ones that there would probably be one, but I checked Friday on May 3rd. No class recording. Thursday, no class recording. I believe Wednesday you said we were gonna not have class. No, it says no class. Tuesday, no class. Monday, no recording. I just keep on going back. Can you see that I don't have any recordings at all? Look, so there's that, and I can access all the recordings from my other classes. So there's none for this one, so please look at this and